Hey everybody, Dr. Blumenthal back with you, Natural Transplants. Today we are pumped. We got Micah here. Micah, thank you for doing this.
Yeah, good to be here.
You're in the area, so to speak.
Yeah.
Catch us up. What brings you today? What are we doing for you today?
Well, my hair has been thin for a couple years now.
Yeah.
I'm 27 now and probably started around 24.
Okay.
And it just got to a point where I felt like I needed to do something about it. I found y'all's videos on YouTube and realized how close you were, so
Awesome.
here I am.
Paint it forward, paint it back. And so we'll show you have some thinning in the hairline and sort of in the corners, temple area.
Yeah.
Also in the crown, although you started finasteride a little while ago, and there has some improvement there. We may go into the crown, but just a slight bit because you still have some decent density there. But I'm gonna have you just sort of pull your hair back forward. You have awesome hair as we talked about, but we're gonna kind of fill in the corners, maybe do a little bit of temple work. We'll see. Bring down the hairline just a touch and just fill it in a little bit. And then sort of borderline, initially this was a lot more thin, but like I said with the Propecia, the finasteride, it has filled in to some degree. But we may just do this little strip right here. We're not going to go too much in the crown though. All right, you doing okay?
Yeah.
All right, excited. We're going to draw something out. We'll check in with you in a little bit, okay? Cool. We are back with Micah. We have drawn out the line. We did add some temples, not super shady. We didn't change it significantly, just a little bit here and there. But I think it makes a nice difference. And then I'll sort of show the line here, get rid of this corner, which makes the forehead look really wide. And then we're gonna just do a little bit in the back, just that little finger width. And you got awesome hair, great density, shouldn't be a problem. You good? Got a couple volume on board. We're gonna head next door. We'll check in with you later, okay? All right, we are back. Micah, congrats, man, you did it.
Thank you.
Congratulations, how'd today go?
Pretty
pressure.
good. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Just in the beginning, a little discomfort, but after that, it was smooth sailing.
Awesome.
So,
You did awesome with
very
the
good.
injections and everything. You're having fun with the gas.
I was for sure.
I'm really excited. I'm gonna be really happy with this. We did a really good job putting in the temples. Again, even a little subtle change with the temples. I think it's gonna go a long way. Really packed it in the hairline, and then I'm gonna spin you around. We even did a little bit in the crown, just that little strip in the crown. And obviously your hair is super long, so it's gonna hide the back, no problem.
Yeah.
All right. But that is it. I will call you tomorrow to check on you. Thanks again for doing this. Welcome to the family, man. You did great. We'll keep tabs on you. Hopefully we'll kind of keep tabs throughout the year and see the transformation in a year. Cool? Awesome. Thanks.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.